Lesson 5, Sounds of S, F, and B. The S symbol is often called the comma S. The F symbol is a medium-sized downward curve and the B symbol is a long downward curve. S, F, and B. And this is the difference of the three symbol. The smaller S and then F and then the medium size long downward curve and then the long downward curve. Then let's have an example of sounds of S. When we say this is S A. S A, then as, has, with that, so, sign is sing, sin, side first, side, and then for sounds of F, we have A, then phone is lock, P, and then save, then face. Then proceed naman tayo sa sounds of B. B, save, both, part what? And then for both is B-O-T, then even, Dave, since it's a name, so meron siyang capitalization, then Steven, capitalization. And that's all. Thank you.